Cleanliness brings comfort to many, but for Chloe, it became a cage. A spotless world, ruled not by fear of dirt, but by terror of what might happen if she didn't scrub, spray, and sanitize. Disclaimer: this conversation is a fictional dramatization. Always seek the advice of qualified medical professionals. Meet Chloe. She's 27, intelligent, quiet. She once captured life through her camera lens and filled her home with laughter and friends. But now, her days begin and end with rituals that have stolen her freedom. At 5:32 a.m., Chloe stands at her bathroom sink. Her hands are raw, bleeding from the soap. She's been scrubbing for over 30 minutes. Still dirty, she whispers. Still not clean enough. In the kitchen with her mother and sister, Chloe reaches for the disinfectant again. "Chloe, you just cleaned that," her mother says gently. "You touched it," Chloe snaps. "There are germs everywhere." Her mother and Mercy exchange a glance, the kind filled with heartbreak and helplessness. "Sweetheart," her mother says softly, "this is affecting your whole life. You haven't been to work in weeks. I'm keeping us safe." "You don't understand," Chloe responds. That evening, Mercy joins Chloe on the couch. They sit side by side, but it feels like islands apart. "Nyla's birthday party is this weekend," Mercy says gently. "Are you still coming with me?" "No," Chloe replies sharply. "Too many people. Surfaces, germs, and risks." Mercy's voice softens. Half love, half desperation. "This isn't you anymore. You haven't touched your camera in months. You don't even hug Mom anymore. I think you need help, Chloe." Chloe says nothing, but her eyes say everything. Within her, she knows it's time to seek help. The following morning, Chloe visits Dr. Harrison. She sits across from him, hands folded tightly. "I clean constantly," she says softly. "I've stopped going to work. I avoid everyone I love. I know it's not normal, but I don't know how to stop." Dr. Harrison leans in gently. "What you're describing sounds like contamination OCD, a form of obsessive-compulsive disorder. This isn't about enjoying cleanliness. It's about feeling trapped by the belief that something terrible will happen if you don't perform these rituals." Chloe nods slightly. It's like, "I know it's irrational, but if I don't clean, I panic." "That's the trap OCD creates," Dr. Harrison explains. "You experience a fearful thought, so you perform a ritual to feel safe. But each time you give in, you feed the fear, making it stronger." Chloe asks gently, "So, what do I do?" Dr. Harrison speaks with confidence. "There are proven treatments that work. We'll use exposure and response prevention. You'll learn to sit with the fear without giving in to the ritual. We'll challenge those catastrophic thoughts. Your family will learn how to support your healing, and if needed, medication can help ease the intensity." A flicker of something returns to Chloe's face. Hope. "Now I have a challenge for you," Dr. Harrison says. "When you leave today, touch the doorknob. Don't sanitize afterward. Just walk out." Chloe's eyes widen. "Just touch it? And not clean?" "That's it. We'll talk about how it felt next time." 1 week later, in her next session, "How did the doorknob challenge go?" Dr. Harrison asks. Chloe hesitates, then says, "It felt like crawling ants all over my skin. But I did it, and nothing happened." Dr. Harrison smiles. "That's ERP working. Your brain is learning that fear doesn't always mean danger." Chloe nods. "I still get those what-if thoughts, but now I tell myself, that's just the OCD talking. And honestly, it helps." "That's you taking control back," Dr. Harrison says. "You're not the passenger anymore. You're driving." A small smile breaks across Chloe's face. "I told Mercy I was trying to break the cycle. She hugged me tightly, and I didn't pull away." Dr. Harrison smiles gently. "That's powerful progress, Chloe. When you let yourself connect without giving in to the compulsion, you're rewiring your brain. Moments like that build resilience, and that's exactly how recovery grows." Months later, Chloe stands in the kitchen. pouring tea with steady hands. No sanitizer bottle in sight. Her hands have healed. Her movements flow with ease. You didn't clean the counter 3 times, Mercy teases. Chloe grins. Once is enough. Their laughter fills the kitchen, replacing the fear that used to live there. The germs never disappeared, but Chloe stopped letting them dictate her existence. Healing didn't mean becoming fearless. It meant feeling the fear and choosing to live anyway. With every unsanitized doorknob, every hug, every moment of connection over compulsion, Chloe reclaimed herself. Her story is not rare. Contamination OCD traps people in cycles of fear and ritual. But here's the truth that changes everything. OCD is real and it's treatable. With therapy, support, and when needed, medication, the cycle can be broken. If you or someone you love is caught in that loop, reach out. Help exists. Hope is real. And healing is possible.